YouTube Sayonways, this is Jeannie, and today I have a peachy glowy Korean makeup tutorial, and this is also inspired by one of my favorite groups right now, TWICE. But hold up, before we begin, I want to let you know that I'm having a giveaway. I just want to say thank you so much for those who have been supporting me, and so I handpicked each item, and yeah, all the close-up shots and details on how to enter will be at the end of the video, so don't forget to enter! So I already moisturized and did my foundation, so let's jump straight to the brows. So to start off, I'm using this medium brown eyebrow pencil by Too Cool for School, and I found using pencils are the best when creating very natural looking brows. I have like naked mole-rat eyebrows, so yeah, it's a good blank canvas, I guess. First, I want to outline my eyebrows before filling them in. After, I like to just make quick strokes with a light hand, and just try to make hair-like strokes, and just take your time if you don't want Sharpie looking eyebrows. No makeup, yeah. No makeup, yeah. No makeup. And then just use your spoolie to just smooth it all out. Next, I'm going to prime my eyelids and just rub it a bit. Now just take any peachy eyeshadow stick with some glitter or shimmer and just highlight your lower eyelids to just brighten up your eyes, and don't forget about your inner corners. And I also like to place it on my lids just so that I could have sort of a base when I'm applying other eyeshadows. So next, I'm taking a dark brown eyeshadow stick. This also has a bit of shimmer into it, shimmer, and just applying that as close to my lash line as I can. So this technique is great for people who have monolids as well, since I'm doing sort of a vertical gradient effect, going from dark to light on my lids. So next, I'm adding a pink pearl eyeshadow stick above the brown shadow. And also just adding that onto my outer lower lash line. Blending is key, especially if you have hooded or monolids, because it is not forgiving if you do not blend it out. So just make sure you blend. So then take a peachy pink shadow and add that to your crease, or if you don't have one, if you have hooded or monolids, add it to your fake crease line, and also your outer upper lids, and just blend it all out with a blending brush. Yeah.
짧은 치마를 입고 있는 너 너무나 아름다워.
Next, tightline your eyes with a black eyeliner. It doesn't have to be perfect since we will be lining them again. So yeah, just pop some natural looking falsies and we are starting to look like a human. And just use a liquid liner to just fix up your eyeliner and to cover the lash glue. Next, just add some mascara to blend out your fake and real lashes together. And don't forget to add some mascara to your bottom lashes as well. Now using a coral blush and a light hand, I'm just lightly swiping it onto my cheekbones. Next, we just want to add a little bit of highlighter, and this just really gives a nice spring/summer glow.
people.
Finally, we are finishing up with their pretty coral red lipstick to just tie up the entire look together. And voila! There you have it, looking super fresh and glowy, like you were just born yesterday. Now, time for the giveaway. You'll be winning all of these goodies. I handpicked and went to the store and bought this with my own money, with you guys in mind. So the winner will be winning Tony Moly's red lip tint, Etude House Coral Eyeshadow Shimmery Stick. You'll be winning BT21 Cooky Notebook, BT21 Cooky Pouch, Besfrend Hand Lotion, and you're gonna also win these really cute Korean sheet masks. It looked like ice cream and the Korean yogurt, and as well as these 2 best-selling professional Korean sheet masks. So the giveaway rules is that all you have to do is be a subscriber to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and that's it. And also don't forget to comment down your Instagram handle and your Twitter handle so I can reach out to you. And also, if you want to go to the extra step and increase your chances of winning, here are some bonus entries. Just leave a comment down on YouTube with a video request for me. Another way is to tag 2 friends on my Instagram photo of the giveaway. And lastly, the extra entry is to retweet the Twitter photo. So good luck and hope you guys enter, and I'll be coming out with a new video next week. I'm going to make consistent videos. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
No makeup, yeah. No makeup일 때 제일 예쁜 너